Me, you know, that YouTuber you guys all watch for some
No
unknown
drug
reason.
references.
Okay. Anyways,
Now you
we-
can't do that 'cause
If you're gonna do it, do it.
yeah. Anyways, so we are making Space Slimy Goop with Uncle Chris, Dayton, and Stacy. Say hi.
Hey,
Hey.
So-
1 ounce. Boop. 1 ounce.
1 ounce of water,
Uh-oh.
cornstarchy, clear glow,
Want to get that?
block pump, that stuff.
Okay, so 2 ounces.
These
Hey,
and
pay attention
this.
and take turns. Oh, it's just like. Hello? Goodbye.
Okay, I'll pour this one.
No, we don't want our ducks clean.
What do you need?
Are these ducks? Oh, it's just like smoking.
Put me on the do not call list.
What is she selling?
Bye bye. I already told them this.
Okay,
Oh,
pour
no,
that
saying
in.
I
One.
went on vacation. I didn't.
Did you?
No, they call all the time.
Yeah.
Okay. Do
Okay,
you want
one
to
more.
do you want to do the filming or?
yeah, I'll do the last.
We don't need to film this whole thing
Yeah, do it.
because I thought you were grounded from tech.
I asked you if I could, and you said
Oh,
sure.
okay, right.
Okay,
Okay,
pour
what's
that
that?
one in.
Good enough. Alright, so you got your
It's like milk. It actually does.
two slowly mix in 2 ounces of corn. Okay, so let's
Here,
mix
it's a
that.
mixing stick.
Mix that.
Here, take a picture
Here,
of me
take
doing
this.
some with the boys.
Oh, the stuff's on your tablet.
Look at that.
On the
What?
back of your tablet.
Oh, you're getting slime on.
Here, can you take the camera? Or do you want to mix it?
No, you guys do it.
It's hard to mix it.
Use the mixing stick. It's okay. It's thick, right? It's gonna be
Use the
slime.
mixing spoon.
Yeah.
Right. Follow the instructions.
Oh, that just means that the slime is forming.
Okay, here, Deej.
Okay, now go Dayton. Go get
Here.
half of that. 0.5.
What 5?
So not 1.
Take this.
Not 4.5. Half of that.
You need to clean that after.
Oh, this is like.
Oh wait, no, never mind.
Marco?
Come here, Dayton.
We're doing a YouTube video,
Add
so we
in
don't talk about
0.5
that.
full ounces of glue.
They're making slime, and DJ's
0.5
filming it,
full
so.
ounces of glue.
Glall.
Law.
Glall. Yeah, it's like literally feels like, like those potions that me and.
Yeah.
Is 0.5 half?
Yes. 0.5 would be half.
Is that half, Dayton? What does that say? 1/2?
Look at the measuring, boys.
Do you
Come
know
on.
fractions?
Yeah,
So is that half?
I think it is. It looks like.
DJ, what do you think?
Let me
Let
see.
DJ look too. They know fractions. They better.
That's like in between 2 and 4, so like around.
Half, yeah.
Yeah, around. So.
No, don't pour it in yet. Are we supposed to pour it in?
Let me see how this mixes. Yeah, pour it in.
Okay, get that stick out of there.
Oh, that just looks weird.
Then mix it.
Yep.
Yeah, you mix.
What are you doing?
Hot.
Why did you do that? It's a hot glue gun, silly.
Just put water on it.
Let's see it. How's it looking? Is it a different color?
Gotta mix it, man.
Mix
Use
it
your
up.
little
I know.
elbows.
I know, I can do
Use
it.
your
Let me,
muscles.
let me do it.
Take turns.
Hot glue gun.
Aiden.
I think I mixed it enough. It doesn't.
Here, let me try.
Stop doing that.
Yeah, I'll hold
Here,
it. I'll
yeah.
hold it. No, I'll hold it. Just go.
Chris is playing with the glue stick. Glue.
This
Stop
isn't
making
even slime.
spider webs.
This isn't slime.
It will be.
Okay.
Don't they have to keep adding more?
You have to add a little bit more.
Then what's
It's
all
not
that
fully
for? The
mixed.
cornstarch.
To make more. You're just making a little batch of slime right now.
Oh, they're making one batch. Okay.
Yeah, this is one batch. One batch.
One batch of slime.
Alright,
Let me see.
now what?
Pretty much good.
Now add your paint.
Alright, I'll add the
Add
paint. Cause who added the glue?
They could probably add food coloring too, right?
Food coloring? There's gonna be black anyway.
You want black slime? Okay.
Once the cornstarch
Yeah.
is
Oh, 'cause
add
it's glow in
a
the
clear
dark.
glue and
Okay.
mix. Now you can add in the paint and continue to stir.
Okay, I'll add the paint. Just we can't add too much of it, so.
Because you have to save some for
Whoa!
another batch.
Don't
Just a little
pour
bit.
it. You're just.
Just a little bit.
There's a little drop.
Yeah, because you have to lots more
Oh,
batches.
that
you
looks
can make.
cool. It kind of looks like ink, you know?
Sorry,
You can make lots more
want
batches.
that off my finger. Here, mix that up.
Here, check the camera.
Well, I got.
How's it looking? Oh, that's good. Yeah,
What is this? This is not slime.
It will be.
it
once
will
we're
be.
done. It looks like poo.
I mean, this,
Black poo.
no, it's kind of like grayish.
Because it has to be glow in the dark. It's black. That's why. Because you're gonna
No, it's
put
gray.
the sequin stars in it now.
It's gray.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
It's that
Now
time,
what?
eh?
Freaking, I think.
Hey,
Can we add like a bit more
Chris.
cornstarch? Because like this
Chris.
Oh,
is not slime.
You need some more
Hey.
cornstarch?
Yeah.
Figure it out. Yeah.
hey, Chris, you should.
Pumpkin spice.
Yeah.
Just like we can tell like when the slime like forms.
Marco, how can I mount these
Yeah, I
on
don't know what's
in his
happening
room?
here. This isn't
Because you and I are the only ones that have to
adding glow in the dark sequin. No, if the cornstarch is not fully mixed, add in a few more drops of water until it's thoroughly mixed. If your mixture is too liquid, add more cornstarch in small
Yeah.
amounts.
Too liquid.
That's pretty much it, boys.
And then we're gonna add the glow in the dark stars. But that's only one batch.
double-sided sticker. Do you know, like you know what I mean?
No, like glue thing you use.
Sticky tab.
Then we add a few of these.
That you and I need to write our best.
Like 6? No, 10.
More.
10.
There's like 100.
10.
200 in here. 100.
Okay.
So what? We're gonna make 2 batches. One for me, one for you.
Mm.
Well, that's.
Yeah, we will. Open that up. We're opening 10 stars.
I'm not really understanding this, but
Really? Do you want me to stir? Okay. It's that kind of looks like slime. Okay, maybe there's only one way to find out. No, not slime. We need like we had a bit more glue.
Hey, don't do that when my hands are right here.
And now we're giving up.
Hey.